Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of plants and botany and essential oils. Today we're delving into the intriguing topic of botanical families. So I want you to stick around so we can uncover the secrets behind these wonderful essential oils that we have and the classification of them in the world of plants. A botanical family, also known as a plant family, plays a vital role in the classification of plants. It serves as a higher level grouping that brings together plants with shared characteristics and evolutionary history. Imagine it's a family tree where each branch represents a different plant family. Now, you may be wondering what makes a botanical family distinct. Well, it all comes down to various factors, including the flower structure, the leaf arrangement, the growth habits, and so much more. Now, these common characteristics provide clues about a plant's evolutionary relationships and helps us to identify and classify them. The plant kingdom is incredibly diverse, with thousands of plant families encompassing millions of species. Some well-known botanical families include the rose family, which is the Rosaceae, and the daisy family, which is the Astraceae. Each family has unique features and represents a fascinating chapter in the story of plant evolution. Botanical families serve as a crucial tool for botanists, horticulturists, and for us as aromatherapists. By understanding the characteristics of a particular family, we can gain insight into a plant's needs, its growth patterns, and potential uses. It helps us to make informed decisions when it comes to cultivating, hybridizing, and conserving plant species. Let's look at the rose family, the Rosaceae, for example. This family not only includes roses, but it also strawberries, apples, and almonds. Notice how these members of the family show similar flower structures with 5 petals and numerous stamens. So understanding their shared traits helps us to recognize other plants that belong to the rose family. So how do botanists determine and document botanical families? They rely on extensive research, comparative studies, and meticulous observations. They consult resources like botanical books, collections of works, scientific databases to gather their information and make accurate classifications. Botanical families provide a systematic framework for understanding plant diversity. We can organize and study plants more effectively by grouping them into families. This helps us to establish relationships, identify new species, and to discover potential medicinal and therapeutic properties. How can one of us identify the family of a plant that they've encountered maybe in their own garden at home, or maybe even in the wild? Well, that's really a good question because first you're going to need to observe the key characteristics like a flower. You're going to look at its structure, its leaf arrangement, and its growing habits. Now, consulting botanical field guides, online resources, and seeking guidances from experts really can help you further aid in your identifying the family. It takes practice and experience, but it is gratifying skill to develop. And this is something that you're going to want to include with your essentials. You're going to want to group your oils together, maybe study them together as a group so that you can appreciate some of their similarity in their therapeutic properties and in the way they can benefit your blends in helping you to choose the best oil for your essential oil blend. As we explore different botanical families, we begin to appreciate the incredible diversity and the interconnectedness of the plant world. Each family has a unique story, evolution, and ecological role. Some botanical families, like the daisy family, the Astraceae, are known for their composite flowers, which consist of tiny individual flowers clustered together to create the appearance of a single flower. Others, like the orchid family, captivates us with their intricate and diverse flower structures. As we explore different ecosystems, we can often identify problems and connections between plants based on their shared botanical families. It's like unlocking the secrets of nature's family tree, revealing how plants have evolved and adapted to their environments over millions of years. Botanical families also play a crucial role in horticulture and gardening. By understanding the characteristics and the needs of a particular family, we can create harmonious plant combinations, design beautiful landscapes and gardens, and ensure the well-being of our plants. Now, botanical families helps the scientists and those who are studying to prioritize their efforts in protecting endangered plant species. By recognizing which families are most at risk, they can focus on their resources and conservation strategies to ensure the preservation of biodiversity. As an aromatherapist who appreciates essential oils and understanding botanical families, this is like unlocking a treasure trove of knowledge about the plants that surround us. This concludes our exploration of botanical families today. I hope you've enjoyed this journey into the world of plant classification. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting information about the essential oils. Now, until next time, keep exploring and nurturing the amazing plants, making your essential oil blend so you can have such a deeper richness and understanding of these wonderful plant oils that we have at our fingertips. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.